Welcome back. We're making hot chocolate. Welcome to Eats and Travels. Let's make some hot chocolate. So in my hot chocolate, I use milk. So you're going to have a regular pack of hot chocolate. This one is Swiss. Doesn't have any marshmallows in it, just pure hot chocolate. And I use milk. So my three ingredients are the packet, the milk. Those are really just two. Oh, and also sometimes I do use creamer. I did have creamer. I use creamer. So my three ingredients are the packet, milk, and creamer. Those are the three things I use in my hot chocolate. And the creamer that I used was the pumpkin spice creamer. That's what you see in the little jug right there. And I mix all of those in. That's the milk. And I mix all of those in. And you should try it. You should definitely try it. So once you mix in the milk, and again, you can use water, but I prefer milk and a type of creamer to make it creamy, and it's really good. And there's my honey bun. That's the packet that I used. And you put it in the microwave for probably like 30 seconds. You don't want it too hot to where it's burning. And again, you can also use the top of the stove, but I feel like the microwave a little bit quicker to get it in. You just take it out and you just test it the way you want to test it to see if it's too cold, too hot. And again, you just stir it. Again, you stir it. Again, this is the hot chocolate. And today was a cold morning, a very cold morning. And you just test it the way you want to see if it's hot, if it's too cold. And again, you see the steam coming up out of it. Again, it's like perfect. Don't forget to like, share, comment. What do you put in your hot chocolate? Again, I had the Swiss hot chocolate packet, creamer, the pumpkin spice creamer, which is good. I got to get some more. And then also, I added milk, which was perfect. And again, that's how my hot chocolate. Good, delicious, warms the body. Again, it was the creamer, pumpkin spice creamer, milk, and the packet. Don't forget to like, share, comment. Give me some of your hot chocolate combination.